Let's fill out the Connecticut dog bill of sale together, so both the seller and the buyer walk away with clear, dated proof of the sale and the dog's details. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details, in our example that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID, and on the title, a nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dog. Add the name if it has one, then the breed, the sex, the date of birth, any registration or microchip number, the color, and the health condition. The more specific you are, the stronger the record of exactly which animal changed hands. Now the purchase date and the sale price in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check. Write the real price. A figure that does not match what actually changed hands leaves the buyer with weaker proof and can raise questions later. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Before you finalize a dog bill of sale in this state, there are several important requirements to know about. First, the dog must be at least 8 weeks old before any sale can take place. If the dog is being imported, a health certificate is required. And that certificate must be issued no earlier than 30 days before the date of importation by a licensed, graduate veterinarian. It needs to confirm that the dog is free from symptoms of any infectious, contagious, or communicable disease. Sellers are also required to provide a certificate of origin, identifying the name and address of the person, firm, or corporation that bred the dog, as well as anyone who sold the dog to the pet shop. Pet shops must have each dog examined by a veterinarian before offering it for sale, and then again every 15 days until the dog is sold. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.